Hello world, welcome to Gryphon Academy Games' educational software review channel, where we review software that helps your child reach their zenith. I'm your host, Tevin, and for our first episode, we will take a look at the Math Antics website. Math Antics is a math tutorial website and YouTube channel that tries to make learning math concepts easy, fun, and engaging. The site is run by Rob and Jeremy, who are creating high-quality videos and worksheets to help people learn and practice math concepts. Rob seems to be the face of Math Antics as he appears in all the videos, while Jeremy probably handles the technical parts of the production as he's not seen in the videos. As you can see, the website has a simple layout that is easy to navigate. They have separated the materials by subject matter, which are arranged in labeled tabs. By selecting the tabs, you will get the set of lessons that go with that subject. For example, we're currently looking at the arithmetic tab, which has the most lessons of all the materials. Then there's fractions, geometry, percents, and finally algebra basics. As you can see, some of the materials are locked behind a paywall for some of the exercises and worksheets. To get those, you need to subscribe to the channel. It is a $20 fee, which lasts for 1 calendar year. Although I look at it more as a donation because you can still get all the videos for all of the subjects even without paying the $20. And that is what we use most. To access the video from their website, just click on the Play tab and the video will pop up. As an example, I will play a part of the order of operations video now. This video was really helpful for both of my kids when they were learning the concepts for order of operations. Order of operations can be very tricky because you have to realize that the addition and subtraction are equal, and multiplication and division are also treated as equals if in the same problem. And that was really tricking my kids early on. After watching the video, they got a much better understanding of it, and after doing practice exercises, they were both able to get perfect scores on their tests. And the videos are also not very long. They're usually less than 15 minutes, which helps make sure that the kids will pay attention and grasp the subject matter as it's broken into reasonable chunks. And you can also see that they give examples and they work through them so that it's very easy for the kids to follow along. After watching one of the videos, you'd go back to the main page and then you could select an exercise by clicking on one of these individual pages. Right now I'm going to go to the place values exercise sheet. These are usually one page and about 10 problems that go over things that were specifically talked about in the video. These are very helpful to reinforce the materials, the lessons that the kids were learning. If they have problems, they can easily go to the examples video, which you will see goes directly over the material, the problems that were in the exercises. However, not all of them currently match the exercises. The original, some of the videos are called Prob with Rob, which do go over the materials, but they're not the exercise questions exactly, but they will still be helpful. They did say that they are working on making sure that all of the videos will coordinate with the exercises so that they can work through them with the kids. After you go through the examples, next would be the worksheets. The worksheets are usually 6 or 7 pages. These are PDFs, so they're easy to print out, and they just give them more materials to go over to reinforce the lessons even more. After the kids are done with the worksheets, you can go back and click on the answers check mark. That will take you to this page, which gives you the answers keys for both the exercises and the worksheets, which you can also print out in a PDF form and these will give you all the answers to the questions for you to review. Math Antics has been really helpful in making sure that my kids understand the math materials and do well on their exams. I would highly recommend you checking it out if your kids are having problems. Thank you for watching our first episode. I hope you enjoyed it and will subscribe and like to see more of our videos. Please let us know what you liked or did not in the comments so that we can improve our videos for the future. We would also love to hear your suggestions for educational software for us to review and share. Please share the link to our channel so that we can help more kids reach their full potential. You can also reach us on Twitter at purple_Gryphon or by emailing thepurplegryphon@gmail.com. We plan to put out a new episode every 2 weeks or so, if not sooner. To find Math Antics, you can click on the link to their website or their YouTube channel in our show notes below, or searching in your favorite search engine. Now that Math Antics has explained the math concepts, it is time to practice them. Stay tuned for our next video, in which we will review a website where you can print over 50,000 free math worksheets in English, Spanish, and French to help your kids master any problem.